Bon appétit. Yeah, thank you, forklifter. Thank you. Oh my god. Good morning everybody, so I just wanted to show you how my morning has started. I've noticed that one of my tires doesn't have enough air, and I've also checked the pressure, it didn't have. So now I'm trying to put some air in my tire and to go to the nearest service because so as you can see, I have found our problem. Yeah, so I don't have a spare tire for this tire. I've tried to search for the nearest spare tire shop, and I'm going to solve my problem there because you can also hear how it loses air, the tire. I wanted to check the pressure, but now it doesn't matter. I have found a place nearby and I will try to drive to that place to change my tire because otherwise I can't continue my journey. So I'm going to eat something, and after that I'm going to take a nap because I have a lot of time. I have some rice with some vegetables made and some meatballs here. Bon appétit. It is exactly what it should be, very delicious. I don't know what happened here with the loading process, because theoretically I should have been loaded yesterday, but I had a delay because of my my tire. I'm going to show you what was in my tire. that made it leak, that made that hole. So I was in the service. Now it is made, it is good. So I'm very happy that I shouldn't have to change myself, because I would have been more late. This is a homemade meal made by my mother. I usually take with me homemade food, and when it finishes I try to cook something. But in the first days I always have cooked food. Very good. Yeah, I am stopped like so I stopped 2 hours ago, and I still have time to wait in here. So after this chocolate I am going to wash my feet, and I'm going to take a nap, because I think I'm going to have to drive at night, so I'm going to need to be well slept. So I'm going to see you at the loading. Everyone, I have loaded, as you can see. I am starting with putting edge protectors, otherwise my ratchet straps are going to damage the edge of the paper rolls. And the forklifter put it so left me so tight space that I have to climb up to to put the edge protectors. Also going to put my ratchet straps. Sorry if I am a little bit red. Yeah, I am definitely red. There is no much light in here. I'm going to put now the ratchet straps on the first and on the last one. I'm going to put them in X, because it stays, it holds it better. looks like this. And now somehow I have to get some more registers, but as you can see the space is very tight. Yeah, thank you forklifter, thank you. Oh my god. Right now in Hungary, and it's so cool, warm. The weather is so warm outside, and I can't. So now that I have put every ratchet strap, I'm going to put the edge protectors also on the front, and then we are going to assure them.